From whole berries to pure power, every drop of this juice is crafted here, clean and cold. Real fruit, real energy, ready whenever you are. Thank you.
Balanced, clean, exactly what we need.
It's not just locked. Someone sealed it with Sigma protocols.
I can try a lattice bypass, but if I trip the alarm, HQ will know we're in here.
We don't have a choice. That formula can't stay in their hands.
Temperature gauge is falling fast. 10, minus 20, it won't stop. We're bottoming out at 40 below and the glass is freezing over. Whatever's out there, it's colder than we thought.
The chilling whirlpool. As the brew drops in temperature, stainless walls bead with frost. In the carbonation tunnel, bottles glide through veils of cool vapor. Step 24, a needle sparger punches.
Watch what happens when a quiet glass of berry juice meets a rush of carbon dioxide. The bubbles thread themselves through the ruby liquid, lifting berries into a sparkling dance and building a crown of foam.
Vibrations climbing. Pressure at 94%. Stabilizer sinking, hold. There, she's leveling out. Reading steady now.
Inside this clear module, water carries along countless tiny contaminants. Our ultra-micromembrane, just 1/100th of a micrometer, acts like a wall of thousands.
Color slips away like smoke, and the berries keep their glow. What looked heavy becomes light, clear, and dazzling. A drink that fizzes like captured starlight.
The berry base waits at the bottom, dark and glistening. Then the sparkling stream dives in, stirring it alive. Bubbles race upward, berries spin, and the tank slowly fills.
From flat sheets to something familiar, every can begins as a perfect aluminum circle. Presses punch them out with a crisp snap. Then a forming die stretches each disc into a gleaming cup. Drawn again and again, the walls rise.
By polished rails, the empty cans slide into flawless single file. As the carousel drops, each nozzle finds its mark, and liquid gold runs smooth and even. Perfect alignment, perfect.
Red light sweeps the tops of the cans, measuring every curve in thousandths of a millimeter. When the shape isn't perfect, the scanner knows. One blink, one hiss of air, and the faulty can is gone.
Pressure falling 3% and holding. Switching to nitrogen flush. Oxygen purged. Perfectly clean can.
Each chilled can glides into position, the stainless steel head dropping to crimp the lid in a single fluid motion. A hiss, a clink, and it's sealed, airtight and ready for the next step.
As each carton passes, a focused laser burns in the batch number and expiry date, permanent, precise, and impossible to smudge. The code is verified instantly by a scan and logged to the production record. Every box.
Scan initiated. Structural weakness detected. Ejecting. Passed. Next target acquired. Weak can removed.
Pressure climbing past 1 megapascal. 2, holding steady.
Bubbles at the seam, there's our leak.
Logging, switching to scan.
Grid confirms, seal failed under 3.5.
Venting chamber.
Good catch.
2 sheets of 60-degree water pour from the manifolds, blanketing each bottle. In this enclosed tunnel, temperature climbs and microbes fail. It's a gentle heat.
Heat moves in, and the microscopic world changes. Proteins unravel, membranes rupture, and the bacteria's story ends. It's simple. It's powerful. Heat destroys bacteria.
Glowing above 2,000 degrees, the steel meets water near freezing. Sudden shock. Steam erupts, bubbles roar. Heat flees in a heartbeat, locking new strength into the metal. From fire to ice.
Final check complete. All safety systems passed.
That's what I like to hear.
Ready for launch on your command, Commander.
Sparks fly, metal bends, precision meets muscle. One plate after another, the arms sculpt a flawless six-pack. Engineered, not earned. Polished, perfect.
Guided by sensors and vision software, the robotic arm picks, aligns, and lowers each carton with millimeter precision. Suction cups release, the joints pivot, and another box.
As each carton reaches the head, a strip of clear adhesive is pressed, cut, and smoothed in one fluid motion. The seal is flawless, uniform, and ready.
All right. Moment of truth. And signed.
We have approval.
Project Kestrel is officially cleared.
Beautiful.
Let's get it in the air.
Looks good. Lids are sealed tight.
Copy that. Rolling another batch of raspberries to rack 4.